Hi, I'm Michael Radak. I am the Regional Director of Field Services for the Western Region for Seam Group. I've been with the company about 17 years. My role with Seam Group right now is to make sure that our field team has everything they need, whether it's safety equipment, training, advice in the field, assistance with clients on site. When I first started with Seam Group 17 years ago, my position was electrical infrared thermographer. So my job was basically go out, look at electrical equipment, determine if there were any thermal anomalies and investigate those, report them back to the client and help them mitigate those problems so that they wouldn't have any downtime or any damage to their equipment. Over the years, I've gotten the opportunity to grow into other areas of predictive maintenance. I've learned about vibration analysis, motor circuit analysis, ultrasound. I've done roof inspections with infrared, building inspections as well. And I've also managed to move into a supervisor role where I was in charge of making sure that everyone had what they needed, and that allowed me to progress into a director's role.